NDepend is building trend charts to keep track of what's going on. Default trend charts are proposed to track the code size, to track the code coverage and technical debt ratios, to track the number of issues, and more. Trend charts are embedded in the NDepend dashboard in Visual Studio, in the report, and in the NDepend Azure DevOps extension. By clicking this Edit button, a trend chart can be customized. You can choose among more than 70 default trend metrics. For example, let's add the trend metric number of source files in the code size trend charts. It makes sense to multiply values by 10 to make sure it scales up with other metrics. Then save, et voilà! By clicking the menu Trend Charts and Metrics, all trend metrics available are listed in the Queries Explorer. Let's select the trend metric named Number of Issues with Severity High. By looking at source code, we can see that a trend metric is a C# link query. The trend metric value is either the scalar returned by the query or the rows count if the query returns rows, like here. The trend metric name, unit, and description are defined in the query comments. It is easy to create a new trend metric to keep track of pretty much anything over time. Here, for example, we want to track the number of complex methods. All trend metric values are logged regularly at analysis time. In the NDepend project properties, Analysis tab, and Trend Metrics log, you can define how often trend metrics are logged and where trend metric values are stored. In this video, we've seen that NDepend proposes by default several trend charts and over 70 default trend metrics. Trend charts are available in Visual Studio, in the report, and in the Azure DevOps extension. Trend charts and trend metrics can be customized easily to keep track of anything that matters to you.